Hey everyone, doing a quick video tour of this sweet little Dodge Roadtrek 190. We're selling it for a buddy of ours. It was originally his dad's, so it's a one owner, I think 89,000 miles, just in great shape. So we'll get right into the tour. So this is a Dodge chassis. It has the 5.9 liter V8. It's a 360. Runs great. My buddy's dad was super religious on maintenance and all that stuff, and it is just in really good shape. He took good care of it. He has brand new tires from Costco. You can tell by the green there. They use I think it's nitrogen or something. Anyway, these are Michelin 10-ply tires. See if I can get the tread. But they're brand new tires. And then let's kind of go across the exterior. Paint's in really good shape. No leaks with the fiberglass top or anything like that. So Roadtreks, this one's a 190. They make different lengths and everything. It's the versatile model, and this is the 3500 chassis, fully contained. It's got a fresh black and gray tank, generator, and the only problem that we could find with this is the generator does run, but it's not charging. So definitely something for you guys to know about before you come out to buy this. And it could be a simple fix, it could be something else. So generator runs, but it's not charging the systems. So full-size spare in the back, has a big swing out back door, which are cool. Then it has the dinette in the back, and then lots of storage underneath. It has an awning. And let's get into the interior here. Oh, first I'll show you the front seats. Okay, here it is. Seats are in great shape. They do swivel, which is awesome. Cruise control, AC, heater, all the normal stuff. It has radio, tape player. But the real cool thing about this is the low miles. So it's got 87,911 miles. Just starts right up. Just a good running solid vehicle. Definitely don't need to do anything to this. And we'll get to the back here. So there's the layout. It has the front captains, which swivel. So 1, 2, 3 seat belts right up in the front, and there's a little seat right there. And there's also 2 more seat belts in the rear. So a total of 5 seat belts, which is really cool. And then up top, there's a fan, and then here's all your controls for everything. So, the fresh and all that. All your cool RV stuff. And you got the windows up here. I'll shut this door. I have the furnace going. Okay, so back here you have big storage right here with some pull-out drawers in the bottom. And here is your toilet. Get to a toilet, and this one pulls out. Man, it's so hard to get a good shot of all this stuff. Okay, so shower situation. So right here is your shower curtain. You can kind of see it right there. So that pulls out along there, and there's your drain. So if you can take a shower, it's kind of like this wet bath type of deal. Pretty cool. Good use of space. And there's your shower head. Then here's your kitchen. So it has good size bowl, 2-burner stove, and then a little space to prep on. And your microwave. And then there's a vent fan right there. And the fridge is a Dometic, and it's a 3-way, which is cool. And then the back here. So this is the table, dinette table, and then there's your furnace below. Get it nice and warm. And then here are your dinette seating and everything, and it turns into a bed. So you take that table down and store all that stuff, and then the table acts as the base of the bed, and that all turns into a nice big bed. More storage / you can put a TV, I think, back in the day. And then it has an AC unit up top right there. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, really good shape, full kitchen, fully contained. It's a great option for a lot of people. Roadtreks are really well built, and this one is a cream puff. Okay, so that concludes the tour. We're still deciding on price on this thing. I'm thinking it's going to be listed for 18 to 22 grand, somewhere in there. These Roadtreks really keep their value. They're a pretty good investment as far as RVs go, and this is just a great example of a well-built RV. And I will get back with the year on this vehicle too. I just remember that I never said what year it is. But I will put that in the ad and everything. And if you have any questions, just feel free to send them our way. And hopefully one of you guys will pick this thing up. But have a good day, and I'll talk to you later.